If you know that you keep uploading videos on your channel without getting the views that you really desire, the 4 tips I'm going to be mentioning in today's video will definitely change that and help you to start getting more views on your channel. Okay, now some of these tips you might have not heard them before. Okay, but I'm going to be giving you a detailed explanation on how you can also use these tips. Now, the very first thing I want to just mention, let's just get this out of the way first, is your SEO. That's your search engine optimization. Now, I know a lot of people might have heard about search engine optimization, but they do not actually know how to use it, or they're just confused about how they can use it. So in today's video, I'm going to explain one thing that you can actually do that will really help you with your SEO, because when you put in the right SEO, it helps to optimize your videos for more recommendations on YouTube. Okay, if you put in the right SEOs, YouTube will help you to, you're helping YouTube to facilitate the recommendation. Unlike when you just upload a good video without putting any SEO, then you are allowing, or you are trying to tell YouTube to guess who to recommend your videos to. Do you understand? So one good thing that you can actually do to help yourself with your SEO is when it comes to your description box. Now, I'm going to tell you how you can do this. What you want to do is to go to your YouTube studio, go to any of your videos, right? Now, even if you've uploaded your video, you can still do this. So go to any of your videos, go to this part that says subtitles. Now, once you click on subtitles, it's going to redirect you to where you have every single word that you mentioned in your video. So what you want to do is to just go over the subtitles and check where you had some words misspelled or things that you just need to correct, sentences or statements that you need to correct. So what you want to do is to copy everything here. So let's assume I've copied everything. Now what you want to now do is to go over to ChatGPT. Okay, so what you want to now type when you come to ChatGPT is, the script below is for my YouTube video. Please generate an SEO friendly and attention grabbing paragraph for my description box using the script below. Remember, you can always tweak this to your own preference. And then what you want to now do is to paste the script. Okay, paste the script and then send. Can you see? Just something small. So you just copy the one that you want. For example, I can copy from here, from this did you know, up to engagement, or I can even add this, whichever one, or just use it to now draft out my own. It's a very, very good one. Do you understand? So once you just have it, you want to just go ahead and paste it in the description box of that your own particular video. Do you understand? And then you can just save it. Now, this is a very easy method to help your SEO on your videos. Now, the second thing I'm going to be mentioning is your introduction. The introduction to your videos actually matters. I'm sure you might have heard some people say, oh, your first 30 seconds should be this, or your first 30 seconds should be this. Now, if you go onto your YouTube studio, you're going to see a part that shows the graph of your audience retention. And many YouTubers, I'm telling you, many YouTubers, both small and big, even your big Ali Abdal, Mr. Beast, and everybody up there, if they go over to their YouTube studio and check their audience retention graph, the very first 30 seconds, there is usually a dip. Now, for some people, there is usually a very huge dip, while some, the dip might not be so huge. Do you understand? Now, you can actually help to correct this particular thing. Now, what I want you to do is, when it comes to your intro doesn't just have to do with the first 30 seconds of your video. That is one thing that I've noticed on YouTube. Your intro starts from the face of your video. That means the thumbnail of your video and the title of your video. Now, before anybody would click on your video, they must have seen your title first. They must have seen your thumbnail first before they then look down to your title. Now, they've already seen what you have there. And they know that, okay, if I click on this particular video, this is what I am going to get. Now, this is the trick. The very first 5 seconds, not even the first 30 seconds, the very first 5 seconds, you want it to be a continuation of what you have on your thumbnail and on your title. So let's assume your title says, if you're not getting a lot of views, like if you go back to the beginning of this video, it's a very good example of what I'm talking about. You'll see that the very first 5 seconds of this video, I related it to my title. I continued it. Do you understand? So I said it that, if you keep uploading videos without getting views, remember that is the reason people clicked on this particular video. So you want it to be a continuation of your title so that anybody that sees it will be relaxed that, okay, I'm about to actually get something tangible and not waste my time on this video. Do you understand? So once your 5 seconds starts with that particular stuff, then you want the remaining 25 seconds that's going to make your 30 seconds to now contain hooks, open loops that would keep people watching to the end of your videos. Remember, if they keep watching to the end of your videos, YouTube also is going to recommend your videos to more viewers. Now, that's the second thing. The third thing is when it comes to your shorts. Now, it is already a known thing on YouTube, right? That shorts get more views. Shorts get pushed out compared to your long form videos. So one thing you want to do is to use your shorts as an advantage when it comes to your videos. Now, what you want to start to do is whenever you have any long form video, you want to go ahead to your recent shorts, about maybe 5 of your recent shorts, okay? And then change the long form video that is there as a related video to that particular long form video that you just uploaded. Do you understand? That is what you want to do. So let's assume I uploaded this video already. What I'm going to do is the shorts that I'm going to create from this particular video and my 5 most recent shorts that are doing well, I'm going to go ahead and where it has the related video, okay, I'm going to go ahead and place the long form video titles, the long form video there as my related video, so that as many as are watching those shorts will also be able to watch those long form videos if they choose to. So this helps you to get some more views directed to your long form video. If at this point you've been getting a lot of value, please, I'd like you to give this video a thumbs up so it can get to more people. And if you're not subscribed yet, you're welcome to join this wonderful family of growth. Now, the last tip I'm going to talk about is something that a lot of people do not actually use, and that is subtitles. One thing I've noticed is when you post a particular video in a particular language, now there are other people who might want to watch that particular video based on your thumbnail and your title, but because they do not understand the language that you used to film that particular video, they might not stay. So in fact, they won't stay to watch, or even if they stay to see whether they can get, especially if you have some graphical representations on your video, then they might just keep scrolling, fast forwarding to the end of your video, which is not actually doing well for your video when it comes to the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so one good thing you can do is to enable other captions, other subtitles on your video. Now, there is a particular new YouTube feature called auto dubbing, that can help to actually change the voice of your video and the caption of your video to another language. If you do not know about it, you can watch my most recent video. I'm going to put it as my end screen. So once you're done with this one, you can just click on that one and watch that video so that you can get to know how to use that particular, new feature. And I said it in that particular video that not everybody has access to that particular new feature. But then, to those people who do not have access to it, I also explained something else that you can also do to also be able to help change the caption of your video to another language, thereby getting your videos accessible globally. Do you understand? Thank you very much for watching this particular one. Don't forget, I take YouTube one-on-one sessions, and also on the 13th of February, we're going to be having a live webinar where I'm going to be explaining to you everything about the YouTube analytics. If you are interested in it, you can just chat me up on Instagram so you can get registered for it. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.